Did you know Dola AI has hidden features that most users never discover? Yeah. These can make your workflow faster, your content smarter, and your AI experience way more efficient. In this guide, I'll reveal the top hidden features of Dola AI. Hidden feature number one, advanced AI bots. Beyond the main bots, Dola AI has specialized bots for summarizing, rewriting, research, and more. Activating these bots can save you hours of work. Feature 2, templates and saved prompts. You can store frequently used prompts and reuse them anytime. This is perfect for recurring tasks like newsletters, blogs, or social media posts. Feature 3, generate multiple outputs at once. Instead of writing one piece at a time, you can create several variations with a single prompt. It's a huge time saver. Feature 4, customizable AI settings. Adjust tone, style, or content length for each bot. This makes your AI outputs more tailored and professional. Feature 5, hidden shortcuts and keyboard commands. These small shortcuts let you navigate, generate content, and switch bots faster. Mastering these saves time on daily tasks. And there you go. Activate advanced bots, use templates, generate batches, customize AI settings, and learn shortcuts. These hidden features make Dola AI more powerful, efficient, and fun to use.